Welcome, my dear friend. Have you ever wondered why life sometimes feels so heavy? Why problems keep following you wherever you go, no matter how hard you try? Maybe it's your health, making you feel tired or weak. Maybe money problems keep stressing you, making you feel trapped and hopeless. Perhaps family arguments or misunderstandings make your heart heavy, or heartbreak from love has left you feeling lost. And amidst all this, there's the pressure to learn new things, to improve yourself, to speak confidently, to move forward, and sometimes it feels like you are carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. At these moments, it's natural to ask, why me? Why does God let all these things happen only to me? But my friend, every challenge, every problem, every moment of pain is not there to break you. It is there to teach you, to prepare you, and to make you stronger than you ever imagined. Life is not about avoiding struggles. It is about learning to rise above them. When your body feels weak and your health seems unfair, remind yourself that this is a chance to take care of yourself, to build habits that will make you stronger every day. Small changes, even if it is just walking a few minutes, drinking water, or eating a little better, are steps towards a healthier life. The struggles you face with your body are not barriers. They are lessons in patience, discipline, and self-love. When financial problems feel overwhelming, and it seems like no solution exists, remember that challenges teach resourcefulness. Every small effort you make, managing expenses, planning your day, or finding creative ways to earn, is a step forward. Life might test you now, but it is shaping you to be resilient, capable, and wise. Even when it feels unfair, trust that God is guiding you towards opportunities you cannot yet see. Family and relationship struggles often hurt the most because they touch your heart directly. Arguments, misunderstandings, or heartbreak can make you feel alone, but these experiences teach empathy, patience, and the importance of forgiveness. The pain you feel now is not permanent. Take time to reflect, communicate, and heal. When love hurts, it reminds you of your worth, teaches you self-respect, and prepares you to attract better, healthier connections in the future. Even learning new things, like building confidence or improving skills, can feel like a struggle. Every mistake, every awkward attempt, every moment of doubt is shaping you into someone stronger, more capable, and ready for bigger challenges. Growth never comes easily. The challenges you face today, whether in speaking English, in learning new skills, or in building your confidence, are preparing you for success you cannot yet imagine. In every challenge, remember this: God is with you. Every problem is a chance to learn, every difficulty is a chance to grow, and every moment of pain is preparing you for a stronger tomorrow. Life is not punishing you. Life is training you. The obstacles in your way are not walls but stepping stones. Even when it feels impossible, take one step at a time. Heal your body with care. Heal your mind with positive thoughts. Solve your financial problems with patience and planning. Heal emotional pain by trusting yourself and focusing on growth. Slowly, the pieces start to fit, and life begins to make sense. Reflect on your struggles and ask yourself, what have these moments taught me? What strength have I gained? Every problem, every heartbreak, every health or family issue is an opportunity to become wiser, more patient, and more capable. Life is giving you experiences that no book, no school, and no teacher can provide. You are learning the most important lessons through the challenges you face. And remember, you are never alone. Even when it feels like everything is falling apart, even when you feel lost, God is with you every tear, every sleepless night, every moment of doubt. He is with you every time you rise after a fall, every time you take a deep breath and move forward. You are proving to yourself how strong you are. Challenges are not permanent. They are temporary tests to reveal your strength, patience, and faith. So, my dear friend, take a moment and reflect. Think about the problems you have faced so far. Think about what you have learned and how much stronger you have become. And most importantly, decide today that no matter what life throws at you, you will keep moving forward. You will keep learning, keep healing, and keep growing. You will face health problems with care, financial struggles with patience, love problems with understanding, family issues with wisdom, and self-confidence challenges with courage. Life will test you, but it will never defeat you because God is always with you. Share in the comments what challenges you have faced and what you are planning to do next. Let others be inspired by your journey. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to join a community that believes in learning, growing, and motivating each other. Remember, every struggle you face is not the end. It is the beginning of a stronger, wiser, and happier you. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and never forget that God is with you every step of the way. Life may be hard now, but your future is waiting, full of strength, peace, and success. See you soon in the next video.